Hey, how you guys doing? Just wanted to give you an update what we have been up to, and it is we are manufacturing soft shackles under a company name Guardian of Bravery. You can find the soft shackles by the name of K72 by Guardian of Bravery. Let's give you a review of the sizes that we have. Let's start with the smaller one. The 3/8 is rated to 4,700 pounds. The half is rated to 8,575 pounds. Something unique that we do is that we add an industrial coating to the stopper nut, and this is mainly for strength purposes. Yeah, easy enough, guys. So we make soft shackles and we also make kinetic ropes. You can find us online at guardianofbravery.com/store. You can also find us on Facebook and on Instagram. Well, guys, thanks for giving me the opportunity to explain to you our products, which, by the way, they are 100% made in the USA. We splice them in the United States, and the ropes are actually made here in the United States as well. Yeah, I look forward to being able to ship this out to you guys soon. All right, take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.